In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up RSS to email automation in Brevo step by step. This process will help you stay connected with your subscribers by automatically sending out emails with your latest content updates. So let's dive in. First off, you'll need to log into Brevo. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your account name. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, navigate to the Plugins and Integrations option. Now that you're in the Plugins and Integrations section, it's time to find the RSS campaign integration. Scroll through the list until you locate it. Once you do, go ahead and select it. You'll be prompted to give your new integration a name. Choose something that will help you easily identify it later, then click on Create Integration to move on. Next up, you'll need to enter your RSS feed URL into the field provided. This URL is the link to the feed you want to send out via email. Once you've entered it, go ahead and click Load RSS Feed. Brevo will then work its magic, and if your RSS feed is valid, it will fetch key fields like titles and dates and display a preview for you to review. After reviewing the preview to ensure everything looks accurate, click Continue. Now we move on to designing your email template. Brevo provides a convenient RSS default template which is already formatted to automatically display your posts. This is the recommended option for simplicity. However, if you'd prefer a more personalized touch, you can select a custom template from My Email Templates. Just make sure it supports RSS placeholders so your content displays correctly. With your template ready, it's time to choose your recipients. You can select one contact list to send these RSS emails to, making sure your content reaches the right audience. In case you want to send different RSS feeds to multiple lists, you'll need to set up separate RSS campaign integrations for each list you wish to target. Now configure your email campaign. Brevo allows you to use dynamic content, enabling you to customize fields according to your preference. This can give your emails a more personal touch, enhancing engagement with your audience. The next step involves selecting the frequency at which your email campaign will be sent. Decide how often you want your subscribers to receive updates, whether it be daily, weekly, or another schedule that fits your content cycle. Finally, it's time to review all your settings. Take a moment to ensure everything is set up the way you want it. Once you're satisfied, click on Save and Activate, and your RSS to email automation is ready to go. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your RSS to email automation in Brevo. This will streamline your content delivery process, keeping your subscribers connected with fresh updates from your feed hassle-free.